Ever notice how good it feels just to reach up and maybe lean a little to the side, unwinding our spine back into our little mountain? That is what we are exploring today, and let's start with those reach. Go at your own range of motion. Maybe a little tiny reach, maybe bigger reach. If it doesn't feel right, come out of it. You're too high for your body right now. Maybe it's just today. And just nice little reach. We're just remembering to breathe here. Adding a little energy into our body. Now with one arm. And we're gonna have that little band here. Maybe your hands at the hip. Little balance. If you find yourself collapsing in, just open the shoulder, send it back. So you pick where you want your hand to be. Center. Let's reach the other side, adding a nice little bend. Shoulders open and back. And let's flow this. Let's flow this. Again, just remember to breathe. You don't have to go as fast as me. You can go half time and that's all good. All good. Oh, nice shoulder roll here. Up and back, let them drop. Up and back, let them drop. Do a few like that. Oh, hands on the hip. We're feeling them now. Our lower body doesn't work, doesn't move. And to the side. Very light, very gentle. Nice. Let's set up our mountain pose, our foundation, before we get a little deeper into this. Walk into place, stop, big toe in, outer part of your feet lining up with each other if possible. I don't know, are your feet, maybe you have a hip that makes your foot go that way. So don't force anything, do the best you can. This is not about perfection, it's about creating shape with the body you have. Nice inhale. Now let's inhale one arm up, exhale. Leaning to the side like we did. Maybe your hand wants to be down and that is fine too. And on an inhale, come back up. Inhale the other arm up. Exhale to the side. Keep breathing here. We're staying here for a moment. Little bend on the knees. Yeah. Legs are engaged, one towards the other. Center, both arms together maybe. Maybe they're at your chest. Did you do that with me? Yeah, I do that too when I take somebody else's yoga class. Just side to side. Nice little flow. Keeping up a little motion here. Exhaling that down. Let's make our foundation a little wider, more balanced. Big toe in just a little bit. Bend in the knee. If your feet are like that, you can bring them in. It's what it is. So again, your shape with your body. One hand on the hip, the other one coming up. Nice inhale. Keep breathing. And on an exhale, come back. Again, other side. Keep leaning. Make sure your shoulders open back. Exhale. Now I want to see what's there, but my head is not gonna turn first. It's gonna turn last. So put your hands on your hip. The reason is so you can feel, so you're not turning your hip, you're just turning your upper body, see? If your hip turns a little bit, that's okay. So just turn your upper body, your shoulder, and then your head follow. Turn upper body, shoulder, and then the head follow. See, very smooth. Make it smooth and it all goes. Nice little twist here. Adding the flow to it. Just keep on motion, nice little motion. Oh, now let's add to that. Let's add a side bend on one side. And I'm gonna look at my legs. So there's like a mini upper body twist here. Come back up. Other side. A little mini twist here. One more time. To the side. Mini twist. Come back. To the side. Mini twist. And come back. Now we're going to involve the hips a little more. Engage your leg. We're still in wide mountain pose. Engage your legs. You got your roots going. And let's see now. Both arms up. Now we're going to turn the hips first. Upper body and then your head follows. Over there. Inhale back up. Exhale. Hips. Upper body, shoulders, and then your head. Right there. Ooh. Just a few. We're not forcing. Arms are getting tired. We always have the option to park them. Maybe just let them dangle. Let's finish this with a nice forward fold. Inhale, inhale, exhale. Oh, bend your knees, tuck in your belly, and on an inhale, come back up. Keep breathing in between. Oh, inhale up, exhale down. Thank you for joining me for this session. And if you would like to continue, just click on the box and I will see you there. I am Anne-Marie, the yoga storyteller with That's Life Yoga, waiting for you. Namaste.